You know, one of the things that I try to accomplish when I meet someone for the first time is simply to become interesting to someone. And I do that by showing sincere curiosity in who I'm talking with. I'll ask them questions that very few people have ever asked them. Why do you do what you do? How did you develop that? Did you take a special degree to get to where you are? What do you like best about your job? What do you like worst about your job? And the conversation naturally migrates back to, Tom, you're asking me more questions than my spouse. What is it that you do? And from that moment on, I own the rest of the conversation. So when we talk to someone for the first time, if you're not interested in actually having them as a client, be careful who you're talking to. There are times when I was flying on an airplane and I would have someone sitting right next to me, and there's plenty of empty seats in the plane and this person's not moving. I'll politely ask them, do you know what I do for a living? I sell big life insurance policies. With all these empty seats in this plane, do you really want to sit here? And they get up and move. There are times when I want to repel and there are times when I want to attract. You are the buyer in this relationship. The thing I want to try to point out to you is that you dictate the outcome. Be careful who you're talking with. And how you can find out who you're talking with to a much deeper degree is to interrogate who they are. Find out if these are the types of people that you want to spend the rest of your career with, by answering stupid questions or developing friendships and relationships. I would rather the latter than the former. Sure hope this helps. If you want to learn more about how wealth works, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our Facebook page, Tom Love, How Wealth Really Works.